What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna change the side mirror lights to LED. Let's do it. Okay guys, these are the ones that we're gonna change to LEDs. So let's remove this cover first to get these things out first. But these are sealed, so let's see how we're gonna open this to change the bulb. Alright, and this one I'm gonna cut the plastic with this. Alright, so let's remove the bulb. Alright, these are the bulbs that I'm gonna use for the turn signals, but these one are a little bit tight on the space, but I think this will work, so I'm gonna use this. Alright, you can see it here. Everything is gonna be, all the links are gonna be on the description of the video. Alright guys, finally I got it after I broke a couple of these discs, but now I got it. So this is the inside of the LED, of the light. I'm gonna change this bulb to LED, but right now I only have a white LED. So what I use is a rotary tool. Now let's put the LED and test it, and let's see if it works. Remember, this bulb has a negative and positive connection, so make sure that they are in the right position. Before you put everything back and you put the glue, make sure that the bulbs work. Alright, after you apply the silicone, the black silicone, leave it like this, so that way the silicone won't go inside of the clear area. Alright, so leave it this way and let it dry for like 30 minutes or more. You can see it right there. It looks, wow, great. It looks great. You can see it there. So the brightness depends of the bulb that you put on this, all right? If you have a bulb that is not that bright, it's gonna look not that good. But this one, it looks amazing. You can see it there. Okay, let's see the other one. Okay, this is the stock bulb. And now let's see the other one. Alright guys, those are the LED. Let me know what you guys think. They look amazing and they're very bright. Okay, I'm gonna put the link of the tools that I used today on the description of the video. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, please like the video. Subscribe for more videos like this one and see you on the next video.